Okay, so if you own a DJI Mini 3 Pro or really any kind of like newer age DJI drone, this video is definitely for you because these accessories have really been a difference maker for me, surprisingly, even though there's nothing too crazy or groundbreaking, but it really has changed the game for this for me. And no, it's not them damn drone ND filters, okay? Okay, so let's get into it. What are they? It actually has nothing to do with the drone at all. As we know, these new drones come with the new remote, right? Oh, look, I guess you can see my camera and my OBS and all that. But yeah, it comes with this new remote. And the thing that really annoyed me with this remote was the fact that I always had to like twist and untwist these because, you know, if you break these off, then you can't fly the drone. You broke off your joysticks. So whenever I seen that PGY Tech had this, a cover that almost looks like a little like gaming joystick type of thing like this, that you can just snap onto your controller with the joysticks still on like this. These are super strong, nothing's gonna happen. And when it's time to shoot, you can just pop it off like that and just pop this back on. See, y'all, anyone who's watched me for a long time knows that for me, it's the little quality of life things, the things to where it's like, why was it just not like this in the first place? I've talked about plenty of times how DJI should just have something where these kind of flip down, or these kind of, you can press them in and they're nice and recessed so you don't have to worry about these breaking off. But unfortunately, that's not a thing yet. They don't have that. And it really just always bothers me and has annoyed me. So when I get something like this that doesn't require me to screw and unscrew something, and then, oh, now I'm worried about if I lost the joysticks, and then, okay, if I break off one of these sticks, then I have to order a replacement, or, oh wait, did I like break the stick, or did I actually break the screw? Because now I might need a whole new controller. All these possibilities just go away with this. Like, I don't have to worry about the inconvenience or the possibility of breaking them. I don't have to worry about losing them anymore. This little thing right here has been the game changer. And above all else, look at this nice, precious screen. Like, you don't want to get scratches on that. You don't want to drop this or drop something on this and have this break. This protects against all of that. So this is like a must-have. It's essential for literally anybody, I think, who owns one of these newer drones. And if you don't have one, you should definitely get one. The link for it is in the description, so you don't have to worry about finding it. And the link helps the channel as well. So definitely, if you're going to buy it through the link. Anyways, moving on. Second thing, again, has nothing to do with the drone, but all to do with the controller. And that's this right here. Oh my gosh. When I tell you, something as simple as this little strap that you can just connect to your drone controller has literally made the biggest difference. I hate having to set it down. I hate having to go like this and look. I hate having to open doors and stuff or do things with two hands and have to just like, again, I don't want to break anything. I don't want to break a joystick. I don't want to scratch a screen. This, I can just walk around. Not to mention, you just look official. Like, yeah, look at me. I'm the drone pilot. Yeah, that's me. That's me. It's really cool because it comes with this little mount right here that screws into the back. It gives it this little piece to anchor, and then you also have this with this clip. So if you don't like this one that it comes with, you can also just use really anything and just clip it there. And yeah, you're nice and connected. You're tethered to something. It's also really good and really cool for if you have like something on the wall to where you just want to hang this up. Again, you don't have to set it down. Extremely cheap, just extremely simple accessory that has made a world of a difference for me when it comes to drone flying. So again, a link to this, or at least one that's very similar, will be down below in the description. Everyone should have these. I think literally everyone should have these. And once you get these, it's going to be just a completely different flying experience because, you know, the controller is a part of the flying experience. So yeah, short, quick, simple, straight to the point, just like how I like to keep all my videos. Let me know what you think down below. Let me know if there's something else that's a great drone accessory that I may have missed, and I could possibly add that to the next one. If you like this, definitely make sure you subscribe for more tech truth. And again, if you're going to purchase these, link in the description is the affiliate link. It helps out the channel tremendously, and it's no extra cost for you. So shout out to you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Catch you in the next one. See ya.